Hi everybody and welcome back to another episode of Force of Nature, where today we're looking at our food, because we've got to learn how to do this. So we've got seeds here, and we've got sunflower seeds here, and we've got coffee seeds, okay, and we've got strawberry seeds, which we don't need at the moment. So we're going to escape from there. We're going to be putting in here this time not so much wheat seeds, but we are going to be planting do I have a coffee branch? Yeah, coffee seeds. Okay, and we're going to be looking at that because we need some more what's names, so cooking tables here. So we've looked at the bread, and we need you can see an egg, water, and it gives us 50 health in 20 seconds, so we do need that. And the other recipes that we can have is we've got fried meat, which is 25 health in 25 seconds. Okay. Butter from seeds. Now it's saying sunflower seeds here, so we can do that. We don't know if we can plant the sunflower seeds. We'll have to have a look at that. Coffee, yeah, is from the coffee branch. So we can make coffee, which is 40 stamina in 50 seconds. Butter from milk, and cheese, which is health 40 in 20 seconds. So there's some nice food coming for us, but we just have to be careful, because we would rather get some stuff here. Herbal tea is not available because this is all of this. We don't know where any of that is. Removes poison. Strawberry dessert. That would be nice. Okay, strawberry, egg and milk. Because that is really, really nice there. Sugar. Chocolate. Got that health and stamina. So you have to take some time to build some of these, but you know, in the end, it's going to be worth it, because 50 health. So we're going to go to recipes. We're going to make the coffee, and we're going to select the coffee, and we're going to say OK. And so now we're going to or we can walk on it. So we're going to repeat last yeah, we're going to put the coffee bits in. Not enough resources, so we're going to plant the wheat. Okay, so we need water. Can we get water from the barrel? No, because we haven't got none. Water, take all. Seedbed. Oh, can we plant that? Yes. Seedbed. Yes. So we're now going to go and make some more seedbeds, if we can. So construct. We can have 8 seedbeds, I believe. So we need some planks. Not sure if we've got planks. Or chest. No, we haven't got planks there. So we need to go and chop some trees down, which is this. Now obviously as we clear the land, we're going to be getting more and more, well, we've not had any attacks yet, but this is where we come through here. We can close that off to make sure that we don't go that way, so it's difficult for goblins and stuff to get through. Cut some of these down, just get some to stock. So how many have we got? 27. Right, so we're going to go over to here because we're going to be ready there. So we're going to go crafting here, planks, select, and we're just going to go and drag all of it and say okay. Okay, and then we're going to get our new shovel. Because we've got rid of the digging stick. And we do like the digging, the shovel. That was a good investment. Yeah. Have we got glowing ember on us? No, I don't think we have. So we're going to put instruction here, decorations, torch, select. I'll put one there, just so we can see what we're doing. I never knew any of this was here. Not sure if we can. Oh, yes we can. Not enough resources there. Number 7. Right, so we need to go and make some coffee. Table coffee, take all, recipes, coffee, coffee branch. Where's that coffee branch? 7 of 5. Okay. Gonna cancel that one, but we are going to drink it, and we've got here we've got harvest all, collect all, and that is repeat last, repeat last, repeat last, go to the well, cool, repeat last. Yeah, so that's our coffee there. Seabed, plant wheat, seabed, plant wheat. Okay, so we're needing some more dirt. We've got 13, 14, 15. Yeah. Right, so we can now craft these. Where are we? Build, constructions, seabed, select, one there, one there. Okay, so that gives us 8 there. So we can go and make some coffee. Go plant the seeds. Need water. There we go. And we're going to increase our coffee. So that and that, and then plant, coffee, select. There we go, so we've got coffee and wheat growing there, which is all nice and good. Let's have a look, see what we've got in the barrel here. So we're going to fill that. Don't really want the sticks that can go by over there at the moment. Wheat seeds, sunflower seeds. Wheat seeds I'm going to we need for the chicken, to feed the chicken. And can we just queue to drop? No. Number 5. Right, so we're going to feed the chicken. Feed. Not enough resources. Don't have water. I need to get a rooster. Okay, so we're going to leave it there, ladies and gentlemen. We've done quite a lot today on here. Don't want to do too much all in one go, but we are learning how to do the coffee and stuff like that. So that's all coming good for us. So yeah, so we can drop the coffee on the floor here, and we can drop the is it the wheat on the floor here, and the wheat seeds and sunflower seeds and coffee seeds. I'll keep coffee seeds. We want to whoops, wheat seeds here. No, we take those and we drop those because that makes butter, and we drop those as that makes flour. Okay, and then what we've come over here is in the barrel we have the coffee seeds and we have the wheat seeds, and we're going to put the planks in there. Okay, cancel, take all, barrel, fill. So there we go with that, and we'll see you next time. Have fun, stay safe, bye for now.